Hi there, students. Veto. To veto is a verb. A veto, a countable noun. Let's see, a veto is a right to stop a decision or a law or a policy coming into force. So, for example, the president vetoed the new law. He said, no, you're not going to make that a law. I'm not going to allow it. So if you veto something in this way, you have the legal power to refuse it. For example, in the Security Council of the United Nations, resolutions are made, but any permanent member of the Security Council has a veto. They can block any resolution. If they vote against that resolution, then that's the end of it. It's not going to happen. In theory, in the UK, the Queen has the power to veto any piece of legislation, but she doesn't. So notice, this is a very legal, technical, political, constitutional word. But we can use it in more everyday language. We can use it to mean to decide against something, to prohibit a proposed course of action. My dad vetoed me going to that all-night party. My wife vetoed the idea of buying a new car. The headmaster vetoed the teacher's proposed changes to his classroom. I thought about having another drink, but then I vetoed the idea. I said, no, don't do it. It's not a good idea. So to veto, to not give consent, to refuse to allow, to ban, to refuse to ratify, to reject, to rule out, to turn down. So I wanted to become a member of the club, but one of the members vetoed my becoming a member. He blackballed me. He said, no, I don't want this man becoming a member of the club. The chairman of the board can exercise a veto on any decisions made in this meeting. So only the decisions that he agrees with can go ahead. Yeah? So to veto something. I suggested going to the pub, but my friends vetoed the idea. They wanted to go to the cinema to see a romantic film. But I vetoed the idea of a romantic film, and we saw a thriller instead. Okay, so it's to say, I don't want to do that. Let's not do that. And people listen to you. Let's see, the idea of a veto comes from the Roman Republic. The Roman Republic was run by 2 consuls, and any decision required the agreement of both of them. So either one could veto the decisions of the other. So there was no possibility for unilateral action. Okay, so one decides to invade Austria, and the other one vetoes the idea. No, it's not a good idea. So, to veto, to stop something being done, to decide against it. Notice, to veto is a regular verb. He vetoed my idea. He has vetoed every idea I have proposed. Now, next question, formality. I think in a legal or political sense, this is probably a 7 in formality, maybe 6.5. But if you use it, my wife vetoed my decision, maybe 6 to 6.5 in formality. Maybe more informally, to disallow, to ban, to reject, to say no to, You could probably use all of those. And then the etymology is really easy. Veto, or probably veto in Latin, means I forbid. So, veto, I forbid it. It's not going to happen. He vetoed my idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Veto.